Hey, this is Selena. I am checking out the really cool Airfox Irina Kaptelova professional computer peripherals. It is a wired keyboard that hooks to laptops, notebooks, PC, and it's compatible to Windows 10 and Mac. It's really nice and thin. Look at that. It's very thin and it's elevated there. My favorite part is how soft the keys are. Like, they are so smooth. And also, this long cord. My laptop has a keyboard as well. Some buttons give me trouble. I don't have to worry about that now. But my favorite part is the long cord. I can be away from my computer because it starts hurting my eyes after a while. Looking at a computer screen for so long, which most people is the same way. Just one sec, it's getting blurry on me. Okay, I'm back. Fix the blurriness. I turned off the light too so you could see. Shows this little blue light showing power is on. And it just has a USB that hooks to your computer. Like I said, I really love the long cord. I can be sitting away from my computer and use my keyboard typing up reviews or talking to my family away from me. And I really like it a lot. It's very thin and lightweight as well. Very lightweight. And it's very pretty, actually. I love the little Airfox symbol here in the middle of the keyboard. Let me turn my light for y'all. Little Airfox symbol. And as you can see, it even comes with a numerical pad over here. A lot of keyboards honestly don't have that. Overall, it's a great keyboard, and I have no complaints whatsoever. I'm very excited, and you will be too. If you're looking for a keyboard, this is one that you should definitely check out. Give y'all one more overlook here of this awesome keyboard. Let's turn off the light so you can see. And thank you for checking out the Airfox wired Irina Kaptelova keyboard. Have a wonderful night.